Hello everyone, how is going on? Hope you are doing very well. So today's topic is very different. So how I earn over 12 grand a day. It's a very good video for you and you can learn a lot of money through this video. Okay. So today I will teach you how you can earn daily $12,000. Okay. And what is the trick is very simple. A lot of people is earning money through this trick, and this trick gonna change your life. Your life will be changed after watching this video, because you can really earning money. You can really earn money through this process. So what is the process? The process is not so much complicated. It's very simple, and sometimes yeah, it's investing driven, because sometimes you can do free marketing, but if you do paid marketing, then it will be very easy to leverage your earning. Okay, so I won't talk too much. Let's go to the video and I will teach you how I can earn money. Okay, so first of all I want to open my calculator. Okay, here it is. So every product I minimum my profit is $30, and every day I sell around 5,000 product. So this is my profit every day after putting ad on Facebook, Twitter, and Google ad, search engine, and everything. Okay, so first of all I want to see your website. This is a wholesale website. You can buy a lot of product from them at wholesale price. Okay, so this is a perfume. Okay, and this perfume price in wholesale is only $62. Okay, and okay, I'll teach you what is the. Okay, let me just copy this product price in USA. Okay, so let's check the Amazon price. It's $72, and in this site it's $62. It's not so much profitable. You can sell up to 94. Okay, as this is a very good brand and authentic product, so you cannot you cannot uh, earn a lot of money, okay, through this product, because this is a brand product. If you want to earn a lot of money, then you have to find out some private label product or generic product, not the brandable product. Those brand won't allow you to uh, earn a lot of money. Okay, okay, let's see another product. See the perfume. These are authentic products, so your sales will be very fast. Okay, wow, very nice products. Gucci, Bloom. Wow, those are really awesome products. Let's see some other products, authentic products. So if you list those products in amazon.com, okay, in Amazon, let's see what is the price of 1 million in Amazon. Those are the authentic products, so don't think that you cannot sell in Amazon. Okay, in Amazon this product price is, okay, let's see. Ooh, it's almost 81, 84. This package price is oh no, it's almost 90. So in wholesale to be this product, sorry, not this product, this product is 58, and you can sell it up to 100 and $10. Okay, so if you sell on Amazon or other Shopify store, what will be your earning? Okay, so drop shipping is very much profitable nowadays, and this is very easy, and you should start. Okay, just give it a try. Just try with a $500 or $1,000, 1 grand. Just try it, and when you will find the success, when your sales will be start, then you can focus on investing more and more ads like TikTok ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads. YouTube ads is, or Google ad is very powerful, so you can try this. Okay, so okay, so the selling price is, let's say, $100. Okay, and our buying price is, take it to, okay, this is the selling price. Okay, $100, and buying price is $58. Okay, almost 52. And if you just reduce some uh, okay, shipping charge, let's say $10, almost 82. So your 82 profit per sale, and this is gonna very crazy in Amazon. Okay, in Amazon, you know that you don't need to actually market your product. Okay, as it is an authentic product, it will be automatically sell. Wholesale selling is very profitable in Amazon. Okay, so start selling on Amazon. Have a Shopify website. Okay, Shopify, and get a payment method like Stripe to check out payment method. Those are very, very powerful. So if you earn $42 per sale, let's say you want to earn 1 grand a day. Okay, and divided by 42, just you need 32 or 30, 34, oh sorry, 24 sales a day. Okay, 24 into, let's say it's 40. Okay, it's almost 1 grand a day. Okay, so this is very powerful, and if you want to earn a lot of money behind this authentic product, branded product, then I will give you another suggestion where you can start your dropshipping business, because dropshipping is so powerful. Let's say CJ Dropshipping, my very favorite dropshipping app, right? So in CJ Dropshipping, you will find varieties of products. Those are very hot selling products. Okay, the girls' products are very hot selling, like this dress. Okay, very. Okay, woman clothing, jewelry and watches, my favorite niche. You can start with jewelry and niches. Uh, watch. Okay, so look at this, just 24 cents. It's a very little price. Okay, oh no, see the watch, this watch price is very heavy, but start with these little ornaments. Okay, these little ornaments, those are very good selling. Okay, It's just almost 24 cents, but you can sell it up to $30, $40. Okay, so $40 earning is nothing. Okay. Those ornaments are really really powerful. Okay, see the cute ornaments. Those ornaments are very powerful. Okay, you can buy these earrings. Okay, girls. Okay. Oh wow, this watch is very very cute. Just very little price, very little price. Okay, and most of the tiktokers sell those products. Okay, and you can list it also Amazon if you want to ABM. Okay, fulfillment my merchant. If you want to do the ABM, then you can start with CJ dropshipping. This is so powerful, so powerful. Let's have another product line. Wow, I just like that. Very little ornaments, but very powerful. Let's see the product. CJ dropshipping is very powerful. Start with Shopify website, and if you have the Shopify website, then the listing the product is very simple, just a matter of 1 or 2 click. Okay. Wow, see the earrings. Oh my god, this is a very good product. Okay, girls product, beauty products, those are very powerful. You can see, so you can easily sell this product at $30 or $40 if you compare the $30 profit margin. Okay, so if you want to earn 1000 a day and the profit margin is just a $30, then you just need a 34 sales. 34 sales is not very tough. Okay, just advertise yourself and you will find that 34 sales is not too much. It's a very common. Okay, so and I love this website, and this can earn a lot of money. Okay, just try it, and this so fast. Okay, let's some sports and outdoors. I think we are gonna see something very cool. Oh, wow, wow. Watch this. Watch this hand product. Watch this like suits shoe. I don't know why this kind of products is here. Wow, student children tent. I don't think it's a very good niche. Let's find some other profitable niche. Health, beauty, and hair. I already told you the beauty is a very profitable niche. Okay, you can earn up to millions and millions dollar by selling the beauty products. This is so hot niche, powerful niche. See the lipsticks. essential well extra, lot of things is there. So start with your dropshipping store now. So I will give you the link of joining both of the channel. Okay, so it may be affiliate link, but just uh, I will be very happy if you join with my affiliate link. Okay, so those links will be affiliated, but you can trust me, you can earn a lot of money through dropshipping. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and join the affiliate program. Okay, so